Welcome to the research facility. All your behavioral data will be videotaped for further research. Please follow the instructions throughout the process.
Just so you know, during the experiment, if you get your head squashed by the door, the insurance company just can't care less about it. Now, little pup, let's test your observation abilities. Take a look around. Nice. Let me just open this cage for you.
Illegal intrusion detected. Releasing Terminator 3000. Terminator 3000.
Phew. Take some time to catch your breath. You see that? Next up, you need to make it... See that cube thingy over there? Pick it up and bring it to the pressure sensor outlined. See that lever thingy? Just pull it to close the door. Come on, give it a go. Now lift this white cube thingy and throw it across the gap.
Attention to all security guards. Illegal intrusion detected in the monitoring room.
Okay, now drag the lizard onto the pressure sensor.
Organism verification successful.
Well, what you waiting for? Come on, throw some punches. Now, little pup, climb that net over there and get to the next room.
Attention to all security guards. Illegal intrusion detected in the power room.
You see that shovel? Just take it.
Attention to all security guards. Illegal intrusion detected in the monitoring room.
Organism verification successful.
Illegal intrusion detected. Releasing Terminator 6000. Terminator 6000 activated. Defense system now online. Your IQ test is ended. Now evaluating the overall IQ score.